Hello, everyone. Have you ever noticed a friend or family member struggling with excessive screen time? Supporting others in their digital detox journey can be incredibly rewarding, both for them and for you. Today, we'll explore how you can help others take control of their digital habits and improve their well-being through a digital detox. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the importance of a digital detox, identify signs that someone may need support in reducing their screen time, implement effective strategies to support others in their digital detox journey. Let's start by understanding why a digital detox is important and how to recognize when someone might need one. Recognizing the signs. Excessive screen time. If someone is spending most of their waking hours on screens, it might be a sign that they need a digital detox. Example, the constant scroller. Emily's friends noticed she was always on her phone, even during social gatherings. Her constant scrolling was affecting her ability to connect with others in person. Physical symptoms. Signs such as frequent headaches, eye strain, irritability, or difficulty sleeping can indicate that someone is overusing digital devices. Story, the tired student. Mike was experiencing frequent headaches and poor sleep due to late-night screen use. His friends suggested a digital detox, which helped alleviate his symptoms. Emotional signs. Feelings of anxiety, irritability, lack of focus, or stress when not using digital devices can also be indicators. Analogy, the digital crutch. Think of excessive screen time as a crutch that someone relies on. When they can't use it, they feel unstable and anxious, highlighting the need for a detox. Strategies to support others. Initiate a conversation. Start by having an open and non-judgmental conversation about their screen time habits and the benefits of a digital detox. Example, the concerned friend. Alex noticed his friend was always on his phone. He gently brought up the topic, expressing concern and suggesting they try a digital detox together. Set a good example. Lead by example by practicing healthy digital habits yourself. Your behavior can inspire others to follow suit. Story, the role model. Lisa reduced her screen time and shared her positive experiences with her colleagues. Seeing her improvements, they were motivated to try a digital detox themselves. Offer support and resources. Provide practical tips and resources, such as books or apps, that can help them manage their screen time effectively. Analogy, the digital coach. Think of yourself as a digital coach, offering support and resources to help them succeed in their detox journey. Create a supportive environment. Help create an environment that supports their digital detox efforts, such as establishing tech-free zones or times. Story, the tech-free dinner. John and his friends decided to have tech-free dinners, where everyone put their phones away and focused on enjoying each other's company. Follow-up. To put these strategies into practice, I encourage you to identify someone in your life who might benefit from a digital detox. Have a conversation with them, offer support, and help them create a plan. Write a brief summary of your experience, and be prepared to share your insights in our next class. For further reading, I recommend The Digital Diet, the 4-step plan to break your tech addiction and regain balance in your life by Daniel Seberg. Seberg's practical plan for digital detox can be used to help others reduce their screen time and regain balance. Conclusion. Supporting others in their digital detox journey can significantly improve their physical and mental health, enhance relationships, boost productivity, and develop sustainable digital habits.